This is the Caraway floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, a single-story home loaded with features and style. The Caraway is part of our Classic series with 3 to 4 bedrooms in over 2,500 square feet. You can choose from several exterior designs, each with different architectural features from contemporary to classic stone and brick combinations. As you come through the front door, the large entry leads to 2 bedrooms. The second bedroom can be upgraded to a suite with its own bathroom. Then you come to this large flex space that can be a media room, dining room, or even a 4th bedroom. The heart of the home is the kitchen and family room, a great place to gather with lots of natural light from the oversized windows with an optional fireplace. Here in the kitchen you have a large island, extra cabinets, and a breakfast nook with a built-in window seat. An added bonus is the huge walk-in pantry. And the entire area flows to the outside onto the included covered back patio. With a Bloomfield home, you're getting more luxury standard features than any other builder. And then you have so many options on top of that. Our design centers are critical to the Bloomfield process, which allows you to personalize your home to fit your needs. People love the luxuries and the functionality of the oversized primary suite. It's roomy and has large windows as well as a window seat. And in the bathroom, you have split vanities with granite counters and undermount sinks, as well as a separate garden tub and shower. Or you can opt for an even larger shower. And one of the features everyone loves is the walk-in closet that includes a pass-through door that leads right to the laundry and mudroom. And the Caraway can be designed with the 2.5 or 3-car garage on specific home sites in select neighborhoods. Every space is loaded with extras, elevating living throughout the home. Come visit the Caraway model at a Bloomfield Homes community near you.